Hi, folks. Indian equity markets have been doing very well. Indian investors who have started investing after the pandemic have probably not seen a significant downturn. And even old and savvy investors have probably forgotten those days of low or negative returns. Don't get me wrong, I too am happy with the appreciation which has happened in my mutual fund portfolio. However, this kind of a bull run brings two significant risks. The first risk is where we start allocating to funds which are not suitable for our risk appetite. For example, I may be a conservative investor who so far has invested in large cap oriented funds such as balance advantage funds or a Nifty 50 fund or an actively managed blue chip fund. Now, people in my circle, like my friends or relatives, have been saying that a mid cap fund has performed very well or a small cap fund has performed very well. This may tempt me also to take exposure in these kind of funds. However, mid cap and small cap funds are often followed by long periods of underperformance after a rally. And this can be quite scary for an investor with a low risk appetite. Small cap stocks also can have illiquid stocks which can later affect a fund's redemption. So, this is one type of risk. The other risk one has to be cognizant of is over allocation to equity funds. For example, I may have been an investor who is investing with a long term view in 2021. Due to some emergency, I had to take out money in 2022. Now the markets gave me a gain, even though I had invested only for a short period. Again, I invested money in 2022, I took it out in 2004, and again the markets have rewarded me. Now, the earlier fear which I had, which was of putting into equity funds only for a short term and possibly getting low or even negative returns, has gone out of my mind. I may be tempted to put money which is required for the short term, like fees for my kids, something for travel or emergency purpose. All this I could be tempted to put into equity funds and with the confidence that I can time the market. But this is wrong. When we invest into equity funds, we must take a long term horizon, which is at least 5+ years, and we have to allocate according to our risk appetite. So, I hope this video helps you to choose the right type of funds after considering your time horizon and risk appetite. If you have any queries, do write into us or drop a comment, and we'll be happy to get back to you. Thanks for watching.